What's going on, ladies and jackasses? Seen a lot of videos of people got stuff like this going on, where their decals are peeling off on their razors or whatever they happen to be, and they're, oh, how do I get that off there without fucking, working too hard at it? Everyone's like, oh, you take a heat gun on there, yeah, heat gun, right. Well, be careful, because this is painted, and if you start getting too much heat on it and blistering your paint, well, that's not good. But I'm just going to show you real quick here what I do. Ridiculously easy. If you've got one of these, you've probably got a pressure washer, right? This is Troy-Bilt 3100 max PSI 2.5 GPM from Lowe's. I think I paid, I don't know, $1.99 for it. So this is what I do. I mean, come on, right? Doesn't get much easier than that, does it? Don't need to use heat guns and all that kind of crap. I will warn you though that, like I said, this is painted, so if you put enough heat or pressure on one spot for long enough, it's going to develop heat, and then you're going to blow paint off of here. Trust me, I've done it. This gray part in the front doesn't have decals, but you can see that little chip right there that this might be, obviously, this might actually be painted as well. So, I mean, if you've got a machine like this, you probably got a power washer. Maybe you've already messed up your decals. I mean, I don't know. Just a tip, guys. Everyone's saying heat gun and whatever, and solvents and whatnot, and just use your dang pressure washer. It's time for me to drink beer.
When there's no man around,